Welcome to Statistics Made Easy. In today's video, we shall see a presentation of simple bar graph of a variable for qualitative or a categorical data. So I'm considering this data wherein I have got 40 observations of students having certain marks in a particular examination under male and female categories, and students are from rural and urban background. So area is rural and urban, and education wise there are certain people who are undergraduate, some are postgraduate, and few are from school, SC schools. So to create a frequency table we will use table command. So x1 is my subset, so table of data $education has to be capital because it's in capital in my data. So comma x1 is a frequency table. So there are 14 students who are in PG, 9 are in school, and 17 are undergraduate students. So let us create a simple bar graph for this using bar plot command. Bar plot x1. So if I run this, a simple bar chart is in front of you, which is a basic chart without any labeling or decoration kind of thing. So we will improve this aesthetics of bar chart. So if within this bar plot, so after x1 if I add legend is equal to true, so t, and if I run this, so legend is obtained. So one by one you can go on adding the things whatever you want. Say for example I want to color this chart, so I will use a color command. col is equal to, say for example I need yellow is my first category, then I will use second category as red, comma third category will be say blue. So if I run this, my graph bar chart will get colored. Yellow. Since C was missed, this color is using combined command. So if I combine the three colors, the error is gone. So similarly we can rename the axis also. After comma, if I add xlab, will ensure the labeling of x-axis. So my x-axis is education, so within quote I will write so you can see x and y axis are renamed using xlab and ylab. So education level and frequency are there in front of you in this particular graph. So similarly I can add the name of graph also. After comma, write main is a command for that. Main is equal to, within quote, whatever the name of my, so I am running this and the graph title is in front of you. So this was about a simple graph. So you can similarly create a stacked bar graph also. So let us consider a case wherein I want a bifurcation of PG schools and undergraduate students in a form of their category male and female, for example. So in such cases we need a stacked bar chart. So using same command, let us add first, in apart from education let us take gender also. So again data, and if I change this to x2 because x1 is already taken. So see, this is the bifurcation of male female with education, postgraduate, schools and undergraduate. So let us create a stacked bar chart for this. So using same command bar plot we can get this stacked chart. So let's use the same one. Need to change this x to x2, and if I run this, yes, stack chart is in front of you. So in similar fashion we can change the colors also. Now instead of stacked table or stacked graph, I want data in such a way that they are beside each other. So male female of a PG category will come side by side. So we'll create a cluster chart for this. So everything remains same, only we will have to add beside over here. So beside is equal to true, so I will write T and after comma, and if I run this, it all, see the output is in front of you. So this is education wise male female distribution of data. So this representation I need to change because I want y axis as data of education. So if I run this command, you can see the columns are changed and similarly graph also is changed. So since I have given only two color, yellow color is repeated, so I will add another color, say orange, and the data or a graph. So this cluster is modified as per the requirement. So in this way you can manipulate your data in your own way using simple commands in R. So if you like our video, please like, share and subscribe so as to get fascinating inputs on R. Thank you.